BLRX stock analysis and BLRX stock prediction. In this very brief, short 1-minute video, I'm going to show you my exact play and everything with BioLine RX. When I made a video last time, you know, I said there's not much volatility, and that was, I think, yesterday. Not actually yesterday, 3 days ago. Sad part is only got 11 views. And then ultimately, all I was looking to do, it was sitting at 366 at the time. You cannot fake this, man. It was 27th of May, right? And since then, it's just, it did its thing. It's absolutely pumping now. I'm going to mark out the top here again. When I see the price pumping up as such, I mean, first thing that I'm looking to do is hopefully double down, but only in a way where the price gives me a double break and then we just begin buying, right? But if no rules are met, then why the heck would I look to buy? All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.